Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Slow English Podcast. I'm Alina. In today's episode, I will teach you 150 useful questions and answers that people use in real-life shopping situations. Yes, things like finding products, asking about prices, and checking out at the register. Whether you're traveling, living abroad, or just want to feel more comfortable when you speak English, this episode will help you. These are short and simple sentences, perfect for beginning and intermediate learners. You can listen and repeat after me to practice your speaking. Try to shadow me and copy the way I speak. So grab your notebook or just sit back and listen. Let's begin. Let's start with the first part, entering the store. Where is the entrance? It's around the corner. Are you still open? Yes, we close at 9. Do I need a membership card? No, everyone is welcome. Where can I get a cart? There by the front door. May I use a basket? Sure. Take one from the stack. Do you have lockers? Yes, near the customer service desk. Can I bring my backpack inside? Yes, but please keep it closed. Is there parking available? Yes, behind the building. How much is parking? It's free for customers. Where are the fitting rooms? Next to the shoe section. Can I use the restroom? Of course, it's downstairs. Do you allow pets? Only service animals, please. What floor is clothing on? Second floor, take the escalator. Is this store accessible? Yes, we have ramps and elevators. Where is customer service? Straight ahead, by the registers. Do you accept returns? Yes, within 30 days. Where's the electronics department? Third aisle on your right. Can I get a store map? Here's one for you. Do you have shopping bags? Yes, they're at checkout. Are the bathrooms nearby? Yes, behind the cafe. Is Wi-Fi available here? Yes, the password is on the wall. Can I charge my device? There's a station by the entrance. What time do you open tomorrow? At 10 a.m. Do you have a loyalty program? Yes, sign up at the counter. Are there any sales today? Yes, everything's 20% off. Can I leave my coat here? We don't have coat check, sorry. Where can I find assistance? Just press the call button. Do you sell gift cards? Yes, at any register. Is there an ATM nearby? Yes, by the main entrance. Now, let's practice questions and answers for finding products. Where's the dairy section? Back left corner. Do you carry organic food? Yes, in aisle 5. Which aisle has cereal? Aisle 7, middle shelf. Do you stock this brand? Not at this location. Can you check if this is in stock? Let me scan it for you. Where are the frozen items? Along the back wall. Do you have any samples today? Yes, near the bakery. Is this item on sale? No, regular price today. Can I order this online? Yes, through our website. Do you have this in a different color? I'll check the back. What size is this? That's a medium. Can I try this on? The rooms are over there. Do you have a smaller size? I think so. One moment. Is this machine washable? Yes, check the tag. What material is this made of? It's 100% cotton. Does this come with batteries? No, sold separately. Can I see that item? Which one exactly? Is this the latest model? Yes, just arrived yesterday. Do you have fresh produce? Yes, at the front. Where's the pharmacy? Far right side. Can I get this gift wrapped? For $5 extra. Do you price match? Yes, bring the competitor's ad. Is there a warranty? 1 year manufacturer's warranty. Can I reserve this item? For 24 hours only. When will you restock? Probably next Tuesday. Do you have a catalog? Here's our latest one. Is this dishwasher safe? Yes, top rack only. Can I buy this online? Yes, same price. Do you offer delivery? Yes, for orders over $50. What's your return policy? 30 days with receipt. Can I exchange this? Sure, bring your receipt. Is this waterproof? Water resistant, not waterproof. Do you have any coupons? Check our app. Can I use multiple discounts? Only one per purchase. Okay, now let's talk about asking about prices. How much is this? $15.99. What's the total cost? Let me calculate that. Is tax included? No, add it at checkout. Can I get a discount? It's already marked down. Do you have a student discount? 10% with ID. Is there a bulk discount? Buy 3, get 1 free. How much for 2? $30 total. What's your cheapest option? This one here. Are prices negotiable? No, fixed pricing. Can I get a rain check? Yes, at customer service. When does the sale end? Sunday night. Is this the final price? Yes, no hidden fees. Do seniors get a discount? Yes, 15% on Tuesdays. Can I see the price tag? It's on the bottom. Now let's move to paying at checkout. Where do I pay? Any register is open. Do you accept credit cards? Yes, all major cards. Can I pay with my phone? Yes, we take mobile payments. Do you take cash? Yes, of course. Can I get cash back? Up to $40. May I have a receipt? It's in the bag. Can you email the receipt? What's your email address? Do I need to sign? No, just tap your card. Is there a transaction fee? No extra charges. Can I split the payment? Yes, how would you like to divide it? Do you need my ID? Yes, for alcohol purchases. Can I use this voucher? Yes, let me scan it. Is my card being declined? Try inserting it again. Can I cancel this purchase? Before I process it, yes. Now let's practice how to deal with common problems while shopping. Sometimes things go wrong, and here is how to ask politely and solve issues. Excuse me, this price seems high. Let me double check that for you. This item is damaged. I'll get you a new one. I was overcharged. I apologize. I'll refund the difference. This doesn't fit me. Would you like to exchange it? Can I speak to a manager? Certainly. Just one moment. I need help finding something. What are you looking for? This coupon isn't working. It might be expired. I forgot my wallet. We can hold these items for you. The line is very long. I'll open another register. I changed my mind. No problem, I'll remove it. Okay, my friends, now you know more than 150 useful questions and answers for your next shopping trip. Thank you so much for listening to this episode of Slow English Podcast. Try to practice them, shadow the sentences, and use them in real life. Thank you so much for listening to another episode of Slow English Podcast. I'm Elena, and until next time, keep learning, keep practicing, and keep believing in yourself. Bye for now.